Meaning of chance. Chance is a noun and sometimes a verb or adjective. It mainly means a possibility, opportunity, or something that happens unpredictably. 10 daily use example sentences. As a noun. 1. I got a chance to meet the actor. 2. There's a good chance it will rain today. 3. Don't miss this chance. 4. He took a chance and applied for the job. 5. This is your last chance to win. As a verb, informal. 6. I wouldn't chance driving in this storm. 7. She chanced upon an old friend at the market. As part of expressions. 8. Give him a chance to explain. 9. By chance, we booked the same hotel. 10. Take a chance, you never know what might happen.